All right. Okay. Hi, everybody. Hi, Eagles. This is Christine, and I'm just going to do a quick tutorial of Canva. It's probably the most used application or website or software by anybody in the dream team. It's what I use. Okay, thank you, device is ready. It's what I use 90% of the time. I have it on my phone as well. I downloaded it, but I prefer using the computer, the desktop version, just because there are some things that you cannot do on the app on the phone. What am I going to show you? So this is basically the dashboard or the homepage. Once you're logged in, you will have here, preset designs by Canva. So it's very, very user friendly, and there are a lot of designs available. What I used to use a lot were the social media templates. So I used to use Facebook post or social media, Instagram post. Let's try that. Okay, so let's say, for example, I want to create this something for a Facebook post. So once you click that template, you're going to be directed to the editing page. If only it would go faster. Please go faster. Why are you so slow? Okay. So as you can see here, these are your templates, okay? So now they have it grouped. So like this one is for sale for if you're selling something. This one is for Halloween. They're themed basically. They're separated into themes. Then here's for the food, and then birthday post, summer posts. Um, let's go and find something. And then at the bottom you have all results. So, whatever you select as the template, then use that. If you hover over the image, you would see if it is free. So you can use that. However, there are a lot. Well, actually, there are a lot of free ones. Uh, let me. I want to show you what it looks like if it's not free. You see, there's so many free templates that you can use Sorry, not from. Okay. I want to show you what it looks like if it's not free. Okay, that's too far. Anyway, later I'm going to show you in another video. So anyway, let's say for example I want to use um let's say this one. Okay, let's say I want to use this. So you click it and it goes to that um, editing plate or whatever. Um, this one is a photo. You can delete that. You can make it transparent, like doing that. Um, and then you can just start editing, you know. Um, like, say, for example, even if it says join us for a ride, maybe you can say join us for a free webinar. Or join us in a, sorry. Then you can start adjusting this and stuff. If you would notice, these are grouped. So they are grouped. That's why you cannot, if you notice, there's no option for you to like expand this to the right or to the left because it's grouped. So there are two groups of texts here. What you do is you ungroup them. Once you ungroup them here, they become two separate groups of text. So you can now adjust it so that it's like that, and you can move it around, you know. You can move this around too. Like anything that's on the template, they're actually movable. This one, you can delete that because we're not talking about bikes. So let's say, for example, uploads, or let's say photos, okay? Let's say, for example, you can search here, let's say computer business. Just type any keyword and it will give you free photos here. Oh, there. Okay, so if it's not free, you would see the dollar sign. That's the same way with the templates. And then it would say premium. That means you would have to upgrade and pay for that. Okay, I don't see, there's no free. Okay, sometimes I put like the word free just to check if I can get free ones. No. All right, business. Just want to use something. Okay, let's try this, okay? If you select this, you drag it. Let's say you drag it there. If you use that, you would notice that there are X's like grids and then the watermark for Canva. That's what happens if you use a premium or a paid picture or template. You would see these grids and then the watermarks. So avoid using that because that would look unprofessional when somebody looks at your content or your photos, your posts, and they will see the watermark. There's so many free stuff there, so just use them. Okay, so I'll delete that. Delete because I don't want to use that. I want a free one. Okay, so let's say this is this one. When you are just wanting to use it as a photo and not as the background, you have to drag it, okay? And make sure that you drag it somewhere here or somewhere else, somewhere not, so that it doesn't become your background, okay? Because if you click it, it's gonna become your background for this. It's gonna, oh, actually, no, sorry. My bad. Okay, so anyway, you got that. I mean, you can position it anywhere, but I want to do it the same way as the picture earlier, which is round. So let me delete that first, and let's go to elements. Now, elements, you can use a lot of things here. Okay, you have charts, you have frames, you have grids, like if you're doing collage, you have shapes, gradients, lines. But with that, because we want it to be round as well, the photo, we're going to go to frames and we're going to select this. So you see there's already a round frame there. I'm going to place it here where the picture was earlier. And then I'm going to go to the photos again and drag this photo. You see that? If I put it here, it becomes the background. So I don't want that. So I just want it as a picture. Drag it to that frame and it becomes round. Okay, so you can play with that, move it around. You can also change the background, the color. Usually you can edit it on this side, on this part. So you can see it's black, so now you can change it to a gray maybe, or a pink, or a yellow. I like that, so it's catchy. And then these ones, the decorations, you can also change them. I don't know, I kind of like it white. I guess orange. Ooh, I like that purple. Just so it pops out. Okay, let's try pink. Okay, and then you can put something here, like maybe I don't know, learn how to start a digital business. Okay, and then alright, you can align it. The beauty of Canva is, if you would notice, there are imaginary grid lines on the sides, like the ones here and then here, like the purple lines there. They actually guide you, to see if you're aligning it well with the other letters or some, or if it's center or something. And then this one you can edit it to register now at, and then your website, adpventures.ca. Oh, okay. I don't want white there, so I'm probably going to use the same color as I have here. And then this one I'm going to color black. I don't like it. It's okay, I like that better. I want to increase the font size, so let's go 24. There's so many fonts too, right? Like these are already preset fonts that you see here because it's part of the template, but you can change the fonts if you want. It's too thin for me, so maybe I'll go with Architect's Daughter. I don't know. I'm not sure how it's gonna look like. I don't like it. Maybe we can go to, I just want it a little bold so people can see it. That's ugly. Okay. Maybe that one. Okay. Alright, maybe just that one for the purposes of this tutorial. Okay, now I'm kind of I'm a little obsessive compulsive when it comes to my content. So like this, for example, I see that there's too much space between this line and then this line. So like this space in between, that's too big for me. So what I can adjust that by using this feature, the spacing. So with the letter spacing, you can adjust this. You see how big the spaces are now in between the letters. You can use that, but I don't want that. I'm fine with the spacing of the letters. I just don't like the spacing in the middle. So let's close the gap. There. A little bit more. Okay, that's good. Yeah, I mean, that's basically how you use it. Oh, this one you can also, I don't know, I want to kind of make it, no, I don't want to make it transparent. Anyway, so that's the first part of it. I hope you find this useful. I'm going to upload another video. I'm going to do another tutorial, another sample. So, all right. Thank you guys. I hope this helps you. Bye. I don't know how to stop this video though, so bear with me while I look for it. And